So start from the very beginning, just with Sanibona. Okay, so Sanibona, this is going to be, say, you speaking, and someone else will reply. What can I say? Someone else will reply. Let's just call them B, A and B. Okay, rather A and B will reply. Yebo, Sanibona. Okay, so Sanibona, bona means to see. Sanibona, I see you. See as in acknowledge, as in recognize that you're a fellow human being on this planet. To which the correct response is yebo. Yebo, yes. Yebo, yes. And Sanibona, back to you. Okay, so we have the bona over here, meaning see. Okay, can you see the sea? And yebo Sanibona. Cool. Okay, then says unjani. Unjani, how are you? To which response is Giyaphila. Giyaphila. Wena unjani. Okay, cool. Have you got anybody else here? Clever boy, thank you, Gwen. Okay, so I've just got some of the people wanting to join. It's on the page. Cool. The event. Cool. Carry on here. Okay. Sanibona, meaning see, meaning hello. Yebo, Sanibona, yes, hello. Unjani, how are you? Ngiyaphila. Wena unjani, how are you? And response is Giyaphila. Okay, anybody else joining, watching? Oh, thank you. Hello, Mom and Dad. Sanibona, which is a fantastic segue into plural hello. So that was singular hello. Plural hello goes, A says Sanibona, hello all y'all. To which the response is again yebo Sanibona. Okay, so the ni, let's go back up to the top here. So I'll be A and you be B. Sanibona, I see you. You reply yebo Sanibona. I say to you u means you. Njani, you. Or how are you? You reply Ngiyaphila. Ngiyaphila, I am fine. Wena, and you? Unjani, how are you? So I reply Ngiyaphila. Cool. If you're greeting a bunch of people, so I would say to all y'all, Sanibona. Okay, the ni over there is the all y'all. See? My face is hiding that. Ni is y'all. Bona again is C. So response, yebo Sanibona. Okay, cool. Let's get back to singular. Cool. After hello, we get to what is your name? Which is Ngubani igama lakho. Ngubani igama. This is my sign for name tag. Ngubani igama lakho. Okay, what is name of yours? Okay, A is me, B is you. Would you say igama, name, la mi, my name, ngu is, and you say igama lami, ngu, whatever your name is. Cool, let's try that out. I'm going to ask you, what is your name? Ngubani igama lakho. And I'm going to ask you, what is your favorite color? Joking. Monty Python fans? Yeah, never mind. Okay, what's your name? And you say igama lami ngu. We have Auntie Gwen, we have umama no baba. Yeah, igama lami ngu Brian Zamani. There you go. And let's get through just some more basics here quickly. I'm going to ask you uhlala pi, uhlala pi, and everybody's definitely living somewhere very specific at the moment in the lockdown. And you're going to say ngihlala wherever you live. Sorry, it's the sound of the cat running around the place. There we go. Okay, cool. Ngihlala somewhere. Let's just go back a step. I'm going to ask you your name. Ngubani. What is igama? Igama, name. Name. And lakho is yours. Okay. Oopsie. Question mark. Basics. Ngubani igama lakho. Okay, and you can respond. Igama lami ngu Sorenso. Not so and so, Sorenso. NgesiZulu, Sorenso, so and so. I'm going to ask you, let's break all this down. You hlala. Can't see or hear anything. Okay. Can't see or hear anything. Hello, Olga. Long time no see. Can other people see or hear something? Who can see or hear something? Can you comment yes or no? Sorry, first live stream. I think, yeah, I'll definitely do some more of these. And also this video will be available afterwards, so you can check it out. Okay, where's that? What is your name? Ngubani igama lakho. You respond. Igama, name. Lami, of mine, is. I'm going to ask you. Uhlala pi. You. Oopsie. You. Hlala is. Hlala. Live. Pi. There's a nice little thing. Pi. Meaning. Where? Okay. Uhlala pi. Where? And then, okay, I'm going to ask you, uhlala pi. Sorenso. Where do you live? Sorenso. And you say ngi. I. Hlala. Live. Which is quite nice. Which is now in, at, to, and from, all in one. See, somewhere. Cool. A becomes, and I would say, after that I'd say, ngiyajabula ukukwazi. Ngiyajabula ukukwazi. Any guesses? What does that mean? Let's see. Here we go. Okay, can both see and hear? Thank you. Sound video is perfect. Thank you, Marie and Nicola. Cool. Okay, comp test time. Ngiyajabula ukukwazi. Lokhu kuchaza ukuthini. Lokhu kuchaza ukuthini. Kuchaza ukuthini means, what does that mean? Kuchaza ukuthini. So, kuchaza ukuthini. Kuchaza ukuthini. Ngiyajabula ukukwazi. Let's switch back here. Anybody got an idea? Tap it, tap it, tap it, tap it, tap it. Tap it out there. Anything happening? Oopsie, I think there's a bit of a delay. So I'll give the correct response so far. So long, which is cool. So I'm just gonna have it over here. There we go. Cool. Ngiyajabula ukukwazi. Someone tap out what you think that means. To which the response is nami. Nami. Ngiyajabula. Ngiyajabula ukukwazi. Ukukwazi. Mystery thing. Okay. So I'm going to leave that down there for now, and let's go through this again from the top. So I'll be A, you are B. So let's go. Sawubona. Sawubona. You reply, yebo. Sawubona to me. You bonaring me. Bona me. Yeah. Kerry, ding 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 ding. We have a winner. Ngiyajabula ukukwazi. Happy to meet you. Exactly. Kerry, all the way from Canada. There we go. Thank you very much, Kerry. Kerry, she's in our Zoom weekly group meeting, and she showed us a picture of outside in Canada, and yeah, I think you'd be inside anyway. There's like so much snow. Crazy. Cool. Hope you alright, Kerry. Ngiyajabula. Sawubona Karen, Aunt Karen. Ngiyajabula ukwazi. I. Ya. Am. Jabula. Happy. Next word. Let's put a little thing there. I'm happy. Uku, to. That little KW is now the U. Azi, no. Okay, happy to know you, happy to meet you, pleased to meet you, whichever thing there. Okay, let's go from the top again. Okay, so don't repeat after me, but respond to me at home, wherever you are. So I'm going to say Sawubona. Where's my comment? Njani. Ngiyaphila. Wena. Njani. Okay, I'm well. You? How are you? I say ngiyaphila. 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 Ngiyabonga. Ngiyabonga. Just careful with Zulu, because now you drop one letter. We have ngiyabona. Bona we had before. It's part of the greeting, which is not to see. So ngiyabona is I see. Ngiyabong. Oopsie, not ngiyabogna. Ngiyabonga means thank you. So yeah, careful with the little letters, missing letters or adding letters in Zulu. You could be saying something else. Yeah. Now, ngubani igama lakho. Igama lami Gu, whatever your name, what your name is goes over there. Okay, so I'm going to ask you, hlala pi. You live where? You're going to respond, ngi hlala Durban, noma Cape Town, noma kuphi. That's all. Maybe you can ask me. Let's actually leave you at B. So you're going to ask me now. Uhlala phi? Brian. You're asking me now. Uhlala phi? And I say, mina ngihlala Hanoi, Vietnam. Yebo, Hanoi, Vietnam. Kude kakhulu. Manje Vietnam asikho ku lockdown omkhulu. Izitolo, the shops zivaliwe, kodwa asikho ku lockdown kakhulu. Uhulumeni, the government, muhle kakhulu, been controlling this very nicely. So manje ngihlala Hanoi, Vietnam. Ngifundisa, angithi manje ngifundisa isiZulu. Manje kuleli livestream ngifundisa isiZulu. Kodwa la Hanoi ngifundisa isingisi. Fundisa isingisi. That's okay. Cool. I've got a little video on YouTube. You can check that out. It's on the Facebook page as well. A little bit about life in Vietnam. Cool. So mina ngihlala Hanoi, Vietnam. Hanoi, Vietnam. You just add on the is. Ngifundisa. Fundisa now means teach. Let's break that down quickly here. So funda is to learn. If you add an isa on the end of things, it becomes, cause to do the verb that it's stuck onto. Cause to do. So now we have funda, learn. Fundisa now means, let's just do this properly. Fundisa now means to cause learning. So I cause learning, hopefully. NesiZulu, nesingisi. Cause learning, meaning teach. That's all. Okay. Ngiyajabula ukukwazi. I'm happy to know you. And you say, nami. Mina means just me. Na means like an and, or in this case like a to. So now you stick them together and we get na, even, to me, to me, from me, na. But we chop off the bottom two things. So nami becomes me too. Nami, me too. Nami ngiyajabula ukukwazi. Now if we have the plural thing, let's just go through this quickly. I say Sanibona, and you all say yebo, sawubona. I would say to all of you, if you're greeting a bunch of people, you'd say ninjani to everyone. maybe it's a bit hard at the moment. There's not many people around. But speaking to a lot of people, ninja. They reply, si ya pila. Si ya pila. Okay. Now I want to say, we had up here, ngiyajabula uku kwazi. I'm happy to meet you, singular. Another contest. How would I say, I'm pleased to meet all of you? Okay, so let me just copy and paste this. This is I'm pleased to meet you, and we're going to change this in a bit to I'm pleased to meet all y'all. Okay, cool. Let's run through this quicker now. Sawubona. Unjani. How are you? Say, ngiyaphila. Wena unjani? Ngiyaphila. Ngiyabonga. I'm going to ask you, ubani igama lakho? And you say, igama lami ngu so and so. Hlala pi. Pi, where? You say ngihlala somewhere. Right, and you ask me, where do you live, Brian? Uhlala pi. Playen. I say mina ngihlala Hanoi, Vietnam. Ngifundisa isingisi. You say ngiyajabula ukukwazi. You say nami ngiyajabula ukukwazi, to know you. Okay. Anybody? Oh, what does this mean? I'm going to say I'm happy to meet all of you. Okay, so if I greet, this is now the plural greeting. If I greet all of you, I say Sanibona. Sanibona. You all reply yebo. Sawubona. Ninjani. How are all of you? You reply si. Si. Si ya pila. Si now means we. Si ya pila. We are fine. We are fine. Cool. So now I'm going to say I'm happy to meet all of you. I'm going to say ngiyajabula. Stays the same. I am happy. Now, this little KW in there is the you. So, if I want to change that to I'm happy to meet all of you, I'm just going to change it to well, let's have a look over here first. Sanibona. Sanibona. The ni is the y'all. Sawubona. The wu is the you. Okay? So you have a wu for you and a ni for y'all. So if I want to say I'm happy, ngiyajabula uku, to know all of you guys, I'm just going to put a ni in there. Like that for now. Now we've got a little issue here because in Zulu doesn't like two vowel sounds next to each other. So we have niazi, ia. That's like very jarring to the Zulu ear. So something's got to give. We delete that that in, and ngiyajabula ukunazi nazo. In from ni and azi to means to know. There we go. Cool. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngiyethemba ukuthi nifundile okuncane. Impela sizowenza futhi enye i-live stream sometime. Angazi ningitshele kuma comments ukuthi nifuna ukwenza i-live stream nini, when. Maybe let me know. Cool. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Salani kahle nazo ke. Bye bye.